Hello guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this simulation tutorial, we will explain a bit about the interfacing of PIR sensor, that is also called as the motion detector sensor, interfacing with that of the Raspberry Pi Pico board. As till this time there isn't any sort of simulator for Raspberry Pi Pico board. So although we cannot say that this is a perfect simulator or it fulfill every requirement, but it will help you a small bit so that you can learn something about it. Okay, now we can see that we have two components here. The one is the Pi Pico board and the other is the PIR sensor. Okay, now we just need to do one thing, that we need to connect this PIR sensor with that of the Pi Pico board. So we will give some nets, like you need to write like A, B, or sorry, A, B, and here you also need to write A, B. If you do not write the same things, the ground and ground of Pico board is not going to connect. So we will run it. Okay, now our one wire is connected. Now for second you need to write ER and ER, and then it is connected. So out is actually based upon the output of the PIR sensor, and for VCC we need write like FF, and here we need to write FF. And now when we will press hardware check, it is not it is now it has shown us the hardware OK command. Now our PIR sensor is connected with that of the Pico board. Now when we will click OK, now we are supposed to compile our code, and in this simple code you just can see that we just have defined a pin which is considered as the input pin, and the specific line for declaring a specific pin of the Pico Pi as input. We have used this line, that is PIR underscore pin is equal to pin 16 pin dot n pn dot pull up. So with this command we can declare our what's called as the we can declare our what's called as the we can declare our pin. So PIR pin comma dot low. So okay, and why we have attached the pull up register, because it is necessary for a pin to work properly. Okay, now when motion is going to be detected, then our output console show the motion is detected. Okay, now we will compile our code, and code compiled, it is written as code compiled. Now when we will press object, like when object is in front of the PIR sensor, now we got our messages, it is detected, like motion is detected. Okay, now one more thing, that if we use to change a code a bit and we will press compile and then we will press object, then it is not going to work, because the whole programming as well as the hardware is needed to be okay. So okay, okay, so and here you can see that I think that it is not showing us the, yes, it is not showing because our hardware is not proper. So write AB and click hardware check, and then when we press object, okay, we again compile the code, and now it has shown us detected. So hopefully you got the concept. The exe is given within this description. Thanks for visiting our channel.